Leo, I want to take a photo of my face to send to Grandma at home.
A photo of your face? Oh, a selfie.
Yes, that thing. But I cannot see my face. I keep seeing the garden.
Yes, because you are looking at the back camera. Turn it around. There you are.
Oh my, I see myself now. Why is the picture so blurry?
Keep your hand still, Grandpa. Don't shake it.
It looks all right now. So I just want one simple selfie. Which button do I press?
Here, let me help you. Look at the lens and smile.
Like this? Oh no, my face looks very big in this box.
It's okay. Now do a peace sign like this. It's trendy.
A peace sign? Okay, I feel like a young boy again.
Perfect. Now press the round button. Just once, Grandpa.
Oh, tap, tap, tap. This thing is fast.
Wait, Grandpa, stop. You just took 50 photos. My oh my, your phone says storage full.
Oh no, did I break the memory of the phone?
No, Grandpa. You just filled it with your smiles.
Let me see. Look, we both look so messy and blurry.
Yes, but we look very happy together, don't you think?
You are right, Leo. A perfect photo is not important.
What is important then, Grandpa?
Sometimes the best photos are the blurry ones because they capture real joy. The joy of hanging out with my dear Leo.
Aw, Grandpa, that is so sweet. You know what? Let's send Grandma all 50 photos.
Yes, she is going to laugh and have a lot of fun just like we are.
I am so hungry. I need some milk. Wait, who is there? Is someone in the kitchen?
Shh, keep quiet, Sarah. Just one more bite.
Aha! I caught you, Mom.
Oh my God, Mike, you scared me.
Haha! Look at that huge piece of chocolate cake in your hand.
It is not what it looks like, honey. I can explain.
But Mom, you said no more sweets for a week.
I know. I did a long workout today. I need energy.
You told Dad you only eat salad now.
Please, Mike, don't tell your father. This is my little secret.
I don't know. Dad might want to hear about this. He will laugh a lot. Haha!
Oh, come on, baby. Be a good son.
Okay, fine. But I want something in return.
What do you want? Anything.
You must make big pepperoni pizzas for breakfast tomorrow.
Pizza for breakfast? That is too much oil.
Well, the cake also has a lot of sugar, Mom.
Okay, you win. It's a deal.
Deal! Now, can I have a small bite of that cake too? It looks so delicious.
I knew it. You are just like me. Oh no, where is the towel? Too much smoke. I can't see anything.
Megan, I'm home. What is happening? Is the house on fire? Why is the alarm ringing?
Achoo! Dad, don't come in here yet.
Oh my goodness, the kitchen is full of smoke.
I'm so sorry, Dad. I wanted to surprise you.
Are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm fine, but look at the oven.
Oh, I see. What was in there?
It was your birthday cake. I wanted to bake it myself.
Well, it looks like a big piece of black coal now.
I was watching a video on my phone. I forgot the time.
So this black thing is my gift?
Yes, it's totally ruined. I'm a terrible cook.
Hey, don't say that, Megan. Come here.
Happy birthday, Dad. I'm sorry, I have no cake for you.
Are you kidding? This is the most special cake ever.
Really? But you can't even eat it.
It's the thought that matters, honey. You worked hard for me.
You are not disappointed.
Not at all. It's a limited edition burnt cake.
You always know how to make me laugh.
Now let's get out of this smoky kitchen.
Where are we going?
Let's go to that expensive Italian restaurant downtown.
Great idea. My treat.
No, it's my birthday, so I will pay. All you need to do is pick me the coolest cake ever, deal?
Deal. I love you, Dad.
Come on, Kevin. Come join me for some yoga.
Yoga, Grandma? That looks too easy for me.
Oh, really?
Look at my muscles. I lift heavy weights at the gym every day.
Muscles are good, but yoga is not just about strength.
With muscles, I can do anything. Just show me what to do.
Okay, watch me. First, let's do the cobra pose.
Wow, Grandma, how can you bend your back like that?
I guess I am very flexible because I practice every morning.
My back feels so stiff, I can't move.
Now, let's try a harder one, the tree pose.
Okay, stand on one leg and put the other leg up.
Keep your balance, Kevin. Take a deep breath.
Oh no, I'm shaking. Everything is moving.
Don't fall, big boy. Stay calm.
Whoa, ouch!
Oh my, are you okay? You fell right into the pillows.
I'm okay, but that was not easy at all.
You see, you have big muscles but no balance.
You are like a ninja, Grandma. I'm so impressed.
It's not about power, it's about how you control your body.
I think I need to follow you more often.
Good. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. on this purple mat.
6 a.m.? That's too early for me, but well, I will do anything for a stronger body. Be careful, Lisa. This attic is very dark and full of dust.
Ugh, I hate this place. Do you have the flashlight, Paul?
Yes, I do. Stop moving so much. You are making me nervous.
Ah! Help! A monster! There's a monster over there!
Relax, Lisa. That is just the shadow of an old broom.
Oh my heart is beating so fast. I am so scared.
Look, I found a big wooden box. I think the family photos are inside.
Oh, you're right. Look at this old memories album.
Wow, Mom and Dad looked so young and stylish back then.
Oh, this is so sweet. I love these family photos. Ah! A giant spider! Help me!
Look at you go. You are like a professional runner.
Paul, is it gone?
It is not real, Lisa. It's a plastic toy.
What? I almost died of a heart attack. That is not funny.
I put it there last year to scare you. I forgot about it.
You are so annoying, Paul. I'm going to tell Mom.
Wait, I just took a photo of your face when you ran away.
Delete it right now. Don't you dare keep that.
No way. This photo is a gold memory. I will add it to the album.
I am never coming up there with you again.
Come back, Lisa. The monster is gone now.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what are you doing with your family this weekend? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.